For everyone that suffers for upper respiratory tract infection, that means nose, throat, you have difficulty breathing, you have the cough, especially if you have bronchitis or asthma, this special recipe is gonna help you a lot. I'm gonna give you a perfect example how you're gonna make a syrup that you're gonna drink only 1 tablespoon a day, and after you take this perfect syrup, it's gonna open your upper respiratory tract and you will feel a lot better. This simple syrup can help break up congestion and open up your breathing passages. When you feel asthmatic episode coming on, take 1 tablespoon of this syrup. Makes 1 cup 48 teaspoon servings. Ingredients: 1/2 cup raw honey, 1/2 cup freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 piece fresh ginger, peeled 6 garlic cloves, 1/4 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Procedure: put the honey, lemon juice, ginger, garlic and the cayenne in the blender or food processor and puree. Pour into mason jar or other glass jar, label and date. Store at room temperature for up to 2 days or in the refrigerator up for 1 week. And you have perfect remedies for your upper respiratory tract. Garlic, especially this ginger and also cayenne pepper is gonna help you a lot if you have this upper respiratory tract. Only you just need to do a couple times a day. You take 1 small spoon of this perfect syrup and it's gonna help you a lot in what is most important, in safe and natural way. If you have any kind of suggestion about natural remedies that will help you with this kind of problems, please comment below. For everyone that wants to learn how to prevent upper respiratory tract infection in natural way, click here on this little window and it would open up a lot more video that I was making for the last 5 years about this special problem. Thank you for following me. See you in the next video. Bye bye. My new book that is called Amazing Natural Remedies Part 1 is the first part of the 4-part series book that it will come out this and the next year. It is intended for everyone who want to take control of their health and embark on the path of natural healing. In this book you will find information about the best natural medicines in the world, advice for diseases prevention and strengthening of the health, instruction for treatments with natural medicine, recipe for teas, tincture, practical tips for growing medical plants in your garden. This book is intended for everyone who does not want to take any medication, any injection, or maybe avoided complete knee operation. All of this had a lot of side effects. New book is direct continuation on my first book, Intermittent Fasting: The Secret of Health and Longevity. Take advantage of my special offer. In the period from 1st May until 31st May, we give you a 15% discount on the purchase of the new book. You can also take advantage of 25% discount on the buying 2 books, Intermittent Fasting: The Secret of Health, Longevity and Amazing Natural Remedies Part 1 together. The both books are available in Croatian, also in English language. Everything that you need about first book, the second book is going to be on my website mariolab.hr, and also you can find every information that you need on my new website. Everything is also in the description below video.